I still don't understand how we ended up with one of these.
Explore.
I'll try my flash. There we go. I don't know how we ended up with this. That flush is nice. Oh wow. Okay, I guess let's go downstairs. Hey, he's off to film the Wolff.
Explore the bathroom.
It's a gerb.
It's a good.
Well, how we just like sabotage each other's video by saying stupid crap.
Such a nice portion here.
I want to keep this in here.